My favorite part about Christmas is the meal. Delicate, eloquent, and there's nothing finer than leftover Chinese. This is pad thai, but I assure you, this came from a Chinese restaurant. No offense to Thailand. Very delicately, very simply, you plop whatever desired amount that you have, and as always, presentation. No Chinese takeout cuisine is finished without the humble microwave. Uncovered, unsoiled, unfiltered. The aromas, the exquisiteness envelop the microwave. For the next 2 weeks, everything that I put in here is gonna taste like Chinese takeout. It's always safer to use a thermostat. I didn't make Gordon Ramsay cry. He made himself cry. The perfect meal if you're single on Christmas. Wonderfully cooked a day before and rewarmed in a humble microwave. Merry Christmas.